Gold created another bullish candle, which is a bullish breakout above 4314.36. We can see that, and it has cancelled the bearish sentiment that has entered into the market on the Friday, which I have mentioned in the weekly analysis that this bearish sentiment, a bearish candle that has formed on a Friday, is potentially trades locked before the weekend starts, which means traders have exited their trades to lock the profits so they avoid being stopped out over the weekend if there is any gap. So we can see yesterday the day has closed as a bullish candle. It is above the open and close price of these two candles, which is indicating strong bullish momentum still active on the market, and it is indicating that there is still room for the price to move higher. Especially the close price of the daily candle is very important, and we can see the wick of this candle is slightly higher than the highest price of this candle before that on the Friday. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see how the price has behaved yesterday. When the day has started, we can see that the price started here from this area of support 4230.66, and the price continued to rise in value, especially when the breakout happened here on this candle, and the price continued to rise in value. We can see that, and it has stopped again at 4371.73, where the price has stopped on the Friday. On the 4-hour time frame, that has happened, and this is what has happened on the 1-hour time frame. Yesterday, how the price has started, we can see that the price could not manage to go easily above this area of resistance. The price is bouncing back up and down, and finally the price formed this bullish breakout above 4260.78, and it was a pretty strong bullish candle. After that, the price continued to rise in value. We can see that with even stronger bullish candle, and here when this candle has closed above this area of resistance, I have shared this information with the traders inside the premium analysis that the price is trying to move higher and reach this area of resistance. We can see that the price has reached that. After that, the price formed a strong bullish engulfing candle and reached the target. After that, the price formed another bullish breakout. We can see that with this bullish candle, the price visited back down, testing the previous resistance. Now it has acted against the support and then continued to rise in value. And we can see that I have shared that inside the premium analysis. I have shared information that the price will try to reach higher price levels, and that means very close to this area of resistance. And we can see the price has reached the area where I have mentioned with the traders inside the premium analysis. They got information that the price is trying to reach this area of the target, and the price has reached that, which was a successful trade. After that, we can see the price reached again this area of resistance, forming a bullish breakout, but it was invalidated with the next bearish candle. After that, the price has tried to move again to the higher price levels, but just has retraced to this previous support, now acting as a resistance, and then drop down to this area of support, which was also a target when the breakout happened. Now from here the price is stopped at 4340.92, and we will see what happens. It's very important now to wait until the price makes a move, and that means making a bearish breakout below this area of support or bullish breakout above this area of resistance. When that happens, it will be probably any direction where the price will go for the rest of the day. But what we can make as a conclusion, daily time frame shows me a bullish breakout, which is targeting higher price levels, and the next level where the price could reach is 4473.96. It is a pretty wide area. There will be also smaller support and resistance levels in between on the lower time frames, but this is the target what I currently have. Then we have 4-hour time frame, which is currently showing that we are for the second time an attempt to make a bullish breakout of this area of resistance, but unsuccessful, and we can see the price has bounced and retraced from this area of resistance. So there is a potential that the price retraces back down, testing the previous resistance of this daily time frame, now acting as a support, and then bounce and continue to rise in value. This is what could happen. This is on the 4-hour time frame, and to happen that we need to see 1-hour time frame making a bearish breakout below this area of support 4340.92. If that happens, this will be the target, and potentially a bounce retrace on the daily time frame to continue to rise in value, which is following the daily bullish breakout candle above this area of resistance 4314.36. This is potential scenario, but also the price could not return back down, could make a bullish breakout, continue to rise in value. This is also one of the scenarios. That's why it's very important to see how the price will behave around this area of resistance, around this area of support. So this is the idea for today. Let's see how it happens. And also, especially if you would like to receive the updates, which means when there is a breakout, bullish or bearish on the market, feel free to check the premium analysis to receive the updates, like I have mentioned for the yesterday scenario. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.